Hey all you YouTubers, this is Mulipipi and welcome to Mulipipi's top 5 videos, Samoan YouTube funniest videos. I did this little video for my subscribers. This is my top 5 funniest Samoan videos, so hope you watch some of them and enjoy it. So this is my first pick. My first pick is Sexy Samoan Clown, one of the oldest Samoan funniest videos on YouTube by Max Palamo. Check it out. So my second pick is Funny Samoan Narrator by Aime Lily. Now this one is funny because it's in the Samoan language, so in the Samoan. Those of you who understands the Samoan, and I suggest you watch it because it's hella funny. It's by Aime Lily. My third pick was Samoan Samurai. I know most of you have watched it. It's about a Samoan wanting to cut his bread and they chop it up by a samurai sword. Check it out. There's a part 2 in there. Suggest you watch that too, and it's funny. My fourth pick was from Manu Saute 7, Pani and Pani, and it's short for Pani Popo and Pani Keke. It's about two Samoan sisters and answering some questions, and sort of when I first watched it, it was pretty funny. And thank you, Manu Saute 7, for sharing that little video. And my last but not least, my fifth favorite, by another video by Aime Lele. It's called Put a Samoan to Bed, dancing to Jay Holiday, Put You to Bed. What can I say about this video? You gotta watch it. It's pretty funny. So there's my top five funniest Samoan videos, and I hope you enjoy it. So leave a comment and tell me all about it. And hope you subscribe to more of Mulipipi's videos. Thanks for watching. Pa.